Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. This truck driver runs 2 red lights in just a few minutes.
A few moments later.
When will these idiots realize that doing stuff like this isn't great for the environment? Who did this, by the way? And more importantly, who's the driver? I don't know why, but I had a gut feeling this was going to happen.
20 minutes later.
Just give me one reason for this accident, and I'll forget it ever happened. Some people think they have more than one life, so they do whatever they want. Do you have a rider friend like this, who doesn't care what happens next because of their driving skills? Let me know in the comments.
A few moments later. Two hours later.
Why is this truck driver on the wrong side of the freeway in the Bay Area?
Bad for a girl getting beaten at her? What? What? What the any more context around this? I don't know, but this seems weird.
This Audi tailgating me at 65 miles per hour in the carpool lane while it's raining decides to pass on the shoulder. Close call with an erratic driver. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.